What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Numb TV. This is a short video today. I bought Skate 3 because it was only $5. I originally, that was actually the first game I ever bought, but it stopped working, so I just bought it again. And if you're having like problems, like I just got to sign in with this shit, but if you're having like problems and you can't like sign in, what you have to do is like, you know how it says your old account, right? And you want to make a new account, but put your Microsoft account. Yeah, put your email and your password. Basically, sign into your Microsoft account, and it's gonna create a whole new profile. This is if you change your name, because my name was Numb Gaming, so I switched it to Numb TV. So you have to sign in to your Microsoft account, and then you should be able to play. So I hope that helps you out a little bit. As I can see, I can play. This is like my this. I had this game before. This was actually the first game I ever bought when I first got my Xbox. So as you can see, so now I can play now. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe if you know. So oh my god, damn, I can't do it again. Basically, when it tells you that you have to sign into your EA account, just sign into your Microsoft account with the same, with, you know what y'all know what I'm talking about, bro. Whenever, when it tells you to sign in, just sign into your Microsoft account and this will work. Cause you know how it says like the servers are down and you can't sign into your account. Just sign into your Microsoft account. Basically type this shit in again. So I hope that guys help you. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe if you're new. This is Numb TV, and I'm out, bro. Peace.